Did you know a little mouse once scared an entire forest with the world's most magical accordion? Annie inherited her great aunt's dusty old accordion and couldn't wait to play beautiful songs. But when she tried playing Happy Birthday at a party, it came out as a spooky funeral march. The birthday guest screamed and ran away. She attempted a gentle lullaby for baby rabbits, but it turned into a zombie dance beat. The bunnies hopped away in terror. At a woodland wedding, her romantic melody sounded like cackling witches. Even Christmas carols came out as monster growls. Soon, every animal in the forest avoided poor Annie completely. She felt so lonely and sad, wondering why her music always went wrong. But one moonlit night, real ghosts appeared, lost and confused. Annie's spooky accordion was exactly what they needed to hear. Her ghostly melodies helped guide them safely home. What seemed like a curse became her greatest gift.